We're getting you details of the Congress's strategy in the Rajasthan political crisis. Sources have told us that the Congress has chosen to fully 100% back Gehlot in an attempt to save the government. There's been no dialogue with Sachin Pilot so far. In fact, Gehlot is said to have sent a dossier on 6 MLAs, and that includes Sachin Pilot, to the High Command. He had charged Pilot as well as other legislators with anti-party activities. Gehlot wanted the party High Command to take away one of the 2 posts held by Sachin Pilot. So it's clear that Ashok Gehlot had in fact taken on Sachin Pilot, accusing him of anti-party activities. Rahul Srivastava is joining us with more details on this. Rahul, one thing is very, very clear, that the Congress has chosen to fully back Ashok Gehlot. And this is something I was touching upon earlier as well. Even if things, calm down right now, if Congress manages to convince Sachin Pilot, if he comes back on board, it's never really going to be smooth sailing, because Ashok Gehlot has made it very, very clear that he's against Sachin Pilot.
Yes, Akshita, I think this is just a symptom. The real cause as far as the crisis in Rajasthan Congress lies not in Rajasthan but in Delhi. Right since the 2019 elections and the loss that Congress suffered, there has been a kind of a climate in the Congress party which is not conducive for a very cohesive coexistence for its leaders all over the country. We have seen Jyotiraditya Scindia walking out of the Congress party, joining the BJP. Ashok Tawar, a young promising Congress leader in Haryana, leaving the party. We have had leaders like Navjot Singh Sidhu in trouble, and we have had Milind Deora having problem in Maharashtra. We find that there is a young versus the old battle going on. By pushing them ahead first and then backing out of the party, party president's post, Rahul Gandhi has left the young guard totally exposed to the designs and attempts of the seniors and elders in the party. And they are facing consistent attacks. And that is why this is another classic example where the Congress has not paid attention to what has been happening, not decided on the element. And that is why Ashok Gehlot, who had submitted the dossier, was trying to get sideline Sachin Pilot, sent out a notice. Akshita, very importantly, what I have spoken to Sachin yesterday, there is a great amount of hurt that he expressed over the very fact that he was sent a notice in a case registered by the STF and SOG in the poaching case in Rajasthan of buying MLAs, in which he has been asked to depose in a case where there is 124A, that is sedition. The Deputy Chief Minister is getting a sedition notice from his own government when the Home Minister is the Chief Minister, and he feels that his attempt was to not only sideline him but trap him in a big legal case. That has what has forced him to this action. But now the Congress has no choice but to save the government. So Congress is not acting in favor of Gehlot or Sachin. It is trying to save a government. And that's where Ashok Gehlot seems to be having a stronger hand. He's the Chief Minister. We are told that dossier was ready earlier. We are told that certain subtle hints from the Anti-Corruption Bureau have gone to certain MLAs and ministers. He is out to save his own government and eventually may have Sachin out. But one point which I wanted to make, Akshita, a lot is being made about the whip issued by the party today. Remember, the whip is something which is applicable on the floor of the House on activities. That is issued not by the party, but the party's chief whip, and it's a legal procedure. It's an assembly procedure. Outside, it has little value. The element is that the Congress can either expel him straight away for not attending the meeting, or go to the speaker for anti-party activities by Sachin Pilot. I just wanted to get a bit of clarity on that.
Sure. Okay, Rahul. So we'll keep that in mind as well. And I request you, Rahul, to stay on with us.
Hello everyone. This is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.